Hello, Professor. My name is Chintan Kevaria, student ID 1012363661. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about the assignment 2, which is individual. Of course, we know there are two parts. One is first one. I mean, it's for about the tennis, like whether we can play tennis condition based on the certain weather conditions such as low temperature, rainy, windy, and I take the humidity as well. And in part two, we were going to talk about the COVID-19 symptom person, like whether the person has a COVID-19 or not, like depends on the certain criteria. So first one has a 20 rows. So we're gonna show further in detail in this both part. I just made two separate files, part one and part two, respectively. Okay, so this is let's just go to the part one. This is my part one. So first of all, I just imported the required libraries such as NumPy as an NP and PandFPD, like from sklearn tree, and I imported decision tree classifier to making decision, and from sklearn I imported matrix as well. So this is my train data. This is a 20 rows and three columns, like whether the condition is what's the weather condition, temperature outside, and the humidity, and is a weather can play. So this is just you can say hard-coded data. So I was thinking to get a CSV file in this one, but as it didn't say anything in the instructions, so I prefer not to do that. So over here I'm just taking data frame from train data, like weather, temperature outside, humidity, and result, and I'm making test data frame over here, and right there I'm just printing those records, and this is the test data from which is I provide over here, and if I go next, then yeah, so I'm running the test over X train and the Y train. So like from the these three data, it's deciding whether whether it can play outside or not. So basically it's yeah, over here. So in the classified decision trees, just running the X and Y trend, and the prediction Y prediction classified to predict X test, and well, I'm just printing this one. So you can see it's 001. So based on the data I provided over here, well, I know the data, but the computer don't know. So clarity 2389, which is yeah over here, 2160 is no, and 33. So you're gonna play, and that is 30 13. Yeah, over here. So yes, so no, yes, that means it's just saying 001. Yeah, and depends. I mean, based on that one, I'm just printing over here. If it's zero, then you cannot play, and if it's one, then you can play it. So this was part one. Moving over to the next part, assignment two, part two. Same as the before one, just importing some libraries, pandas, numpy, random, and all. Same, almost everything is same, just except this like the accuracy score. I'm just getting from sklearn metrics. So yeah, so in this one, I'm making a temporary file, generating some values for temperature, like from 10 to 30, for in range. Yeah, as we know from the random. Yeah, and blood pressure, I'm also doing the same thing from 20 to 30, 30 records, like 30 rows per that. And symptoms, I'm just doing symptom index for like 30 to 40, depends on the if you have a. I'm just it's my thought, like that's what I think. If I'm giving some index, like suppose you have the cough, and you're sneezing, and you travel outside, and you are experiencing a lot of I mean most of the symptoms, then it depend on that uh, symptom index. I just made that one. So yeah, And so this is the based on that one, like what's the accuracy of that one, arrange it to 30 result choice. So this is data frame, temperature, blood symptom index, and like what's the result. So it's making like over here the COVID-19 CSV file as I'll run, you'll see run, or yeah, so the file is there. And I'll show you the file as well. Okay, yeah, so same thing as over here, x and y turn x and y test, like the splitting the data as we learned in the lecture. So -1, so all the data, allocation, the values, data road ilog -1 and value, and test size is 0.3 as you told us, like should be, yeah, just 30% of the data set. So I take the 0.3, so it's just 30% of data set only. So, and over here I just use the predictor one elephant dot predictor and just printing the what's the prediction, and just I'm just rounding so it doesn't go too long. Otherwise it was like before that it was showing me like 10 numbers or something, yeah, after the dot. But I just rounded that one so it's easy to read. I'll just do one more time. It skips changing. See, now it's 44. If I run more time, 56, 67. That's better. The 78 was the best one. 56 again. So it's just, oh, 33. Okay, 44 one more time. Yeah, one more time. It's 33. No, no, no. 56. Yeah, that's better. Oh my god, 89. Okay, yeah, sorry for that interruption. Okay, so that's my, yeah, I was gonna show you this file. So that's temperature, sorry for that. Yeah, COVID-19 symptom, and yeah, that's thank you.